The DongCheng Belt Sander DST610 comes with a really powerful electric motor with a loop containing sandpaper. It also comes with dust bag design, carbon brush, abrasive belt, dust bag assembly. Collar box packing. The sandpaper on belt sanders helps offer a fine and smooth surface without hassle. DongCheng Belt Sander DST610 has a belt size of 100 mm by 610 mm. Belt speed 500 meters per minute. Suitable for legal area sanding operation. Weight 5.8 kilograms. Power 1200 W. Get the DongCheng Belt Sander DST610 and other DongCheng power tools from gzsupplies.com.